Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Tom Spark and welcome back to another video. Today I found an interesting question on Reddit and I wanted to make a video about it. Of course, this guy's asking what providers have the best kind of standalone tablet plans. So this is an interesting question and it's one that is kind of confusing to think about because in some ways it doesn't really matter. Picking a specific plan for a tablet. You can just use a lot of no contract providers that support eSIM and it will work very well. And in fact, the guy on the bottom of this thing says exactly what I would say as well. While it's not explicitly a tablet plan, you could buy the $25 unlimited plan from Tello and use it in a tablet, no problem. So this is definitely something you guys can do. Basically, all you do is go to the settings on your tablet, go to the SIM section, and then you pretty much just scan the QR code with Tello and boom, there you go. The nice thing about Tello is if you just want data, this is one of the few providers that can actually do that. So let me show you here. You can do no minutes and then you could do unlimited data. So, well, that would still be around $20. This would be $25 a month. I guess it doesn't really change the fact. It's more about the data, I guess. But if you want less data, maybe only a couple gigabytes, maybe you go out once in a while, you could customize it to however you want it. So that is pretty cool. And not many do this. So this is definitely something you guys can take advantage of. I'll be putting a link for Tello in the description down below if you're interested in this one. However, guys, there's also maybe another option you might want to check out. Something like Visible. Also could be a good option. Now, why would I recommend Visible specifically? Well, with Visible, you do have that same capability of eSIM as you can see on the website. And the plans are a little bit pricier depending on kind of like what you want to get. However, the core plan is interesting is because while it doesn't use T-Mobile like Tello, it does use Verizon. You can get pretty much unlimited data with it. So there's like a certain capability of how much you can use. And after that, you might be deprioritized. But unlike a lot of other providers, like with Tello example, you have around 35 gigabytes after that, and you're kind of like throttled. With Visible, actually, that isn't the case. So it kind of depends if you want T-Mobile or Visible. But Visible in that instance might be worth it for you guys if you're looking for more data. That might be faster if you're looking to use a lot of data. So I'll be putting a link for Visible in the description down below as well. Make sure to check out those links if you want to help support the video and get the best deal. Now, if you're still wondering, well, should I choose Visible or Tello? Well, it kind of comes down to a couple different things. Well, on my tier list, if you haven't checked out on my channel, you can check it out in the description down below. Tello is actually rated higher than Visible, and that's primarily because it has pin protection. Visible, for some reason, doesn't. Visible has also had data breaches. So I do find Tello a little bit more reputable in my opinion, maybe a little bit better customer support, but Visible if you don't care about those things and you just want more data. So I'll be putting links for both of those in the description down below if you have a tablet and you just want to pick a good plan. Additionally, guys, if you're looking to unblock geo restrictions or anything like that on your tablet, you might want to consider using a VPN. And this channel's sponsor right now is Surfshark. You might have heard of it before. I've actually done reviews on it though, unlike a lot of other people on YouTube. And right now you can get 2 free months with this one. It has pretty good privacy protection features. And my personal favorite with Surfshark is a service called Incogni. I'll be also putting a link for this in the description. This one can actually reduce robocalls on your phones and stuff like that because it kind of scans the internet and removes information about you from websites like white pages. So definitely a solid pickup as well. I'll be putting links for Tello, Visible, and Surfshark in the description down below. I hope this helped you out, guys. Whatever tablet you're using, as long as it supports eSIM, you should be able to use any of these services to get data on the go. All right, guys, thanks for checking out this one, and I'll see you again very soon.